Most people eat walnuts for omega-3s, but soaked walnuts do something far deeper. In just the first week, your gut starts to balance. Softened skins release polyphenols that nourish good bacteria, easing bloating and improving digestion. By week 2, your mind feels sharper. Your body converts healthy fats into brain-boosting compounds, reducing fog and enhancing memory. Week 3 brings smoother blood flow. Antioxidants relax arteries and support heart health. By the 4th week, your energy stabilizes, cravings drop, and blood sugar stays steady. After 30 days, your gut, brain, heart, and metabolism are quietly performing at their best, like a system upgraded from the inside out.